Resolution by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Objectives Resolution was a resolution adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on January 22, 1947, which outlined the fundamental principles and goals of the newly independent nation. It was introduced by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and was later incorporated into the preamble of the Indian Constitution. The resolution begins by affirming India's commitment to democracy and secularism, stating that the government will be based on the sovereignty of the people and that the state shall have no religion. This establishes the basic principles of democracy and secularism as fundamental to the new Indian state. The resolution goes on to outline several specific objectives for the new government, including the promotion of social, economic, and political justice for all citizens, the protection of the rights and freedoms of individuals, the protection of minorities, and the promotion of national unity and integration. The resolution also calls for the establishment of an orderly and just social system and the promotion of economic and social welfare for all citizens. This reflects the idea that the new Indian state should be committed to promoting the well-being of all its citizens regardless of their background or social status. The resolution concludes by affirming India's commitment to peace and non-violence and calls for the establishment of friendly relations with other nations. This reflects India's desire to be a peaceful and constructive member of the international community and to promote peace and cooperation among nations. Overall, the Objectives Resolution by Jawaharlal Nehru is a significant document in the history of India. It lays down the foundation of the nation's democratic and secular principles and outlines the goals of the newly independent state. It reflects the vision of Nehru and the Constituent Assembly to build a just and equitable society, to protect the rights and freedoms of individuals, and to promote national unity and integration. The resolution was later incorporated in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, making it an integral part of the Indian legal system. Thank you.